What are you going to do?
You do the puzzle animals.
Animals puzzle. Which one?
Make a cat.
Okay.
Meow.
Meow. And then?
Bird. Tweet, tweet.
What is the bird eating?
The birds eat worms.
Worms. Then comes
The koala.
koala bear.
Koala.
And then
How about the pig?
pig and the piglets. Look,
Nope.
there are piglets. And then there is kittens. And then the bird babies. Koala baby.
Look, elephants. Look there.
Look, there is an elephant baby too. And then the dog.
That's a dog, baby.
The puppies, they're playing with ball. And then is the horse.
Riding. Yeah.
The horse says neigh, neigh. And then
The ducks say quack.
and look, there are ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducks went swimming one way.
Look, there's a rabbit.
Hop, hop, and the baby rabbits. What do they eat?
Eat carrots.
Wow, look at this puzzle. Nice.
Yeah.
Right. Cat. Kitten. Koala. Koala Joy. Bird. Nestlings. Horse. Colt. Rabbit. Kitten. Dog. Puppy. Duck. Duckling. Elephant.